I want to introduce you to a sculpture from Twisted Tree Forge. And it is our representation of a Navajo churro ram. And maybe just didn't make it to see the rains. This is called Rain Came Too Late. He's life-sized. His skull is carved out of Montana driftwood. This hasn't been, let's see if I can get that better. This has not been stained or anything. This is, as my partner likes to say, that's just nature's artwork. And I carved him and brought him out of the wood. And then he has been inlaid with clear opal, yellow opal. There's some yellow opal hiding in there. Turquoise and chrysocolla. And he has a little friend right here. That's a hand-forged dragonfly to go with his hand-forged horns. You can find him on our website at twistedtreeforge.com.